Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at a short video in which I'm going to compare the Staccato C against the Glock 43X. I can hear the comment section already. You cannot compare those. Those are completely different pistols. Mostly metal pistol, hammer fired, striker fired, polymer pistol. You can't compare them. Well, yes, I can, and I will. And the reason that I am going to compare them is because both of them are competing for a spot in my holster to be carried on a daily basis. One of them is going to be, it's going to have the task of defending my life and maybe the life of somebody that I love or whatever the occasion calls for. So yes, I can compare them, and I will. Now, the Staccato, it's a pistol that costs 3 times as much as the Glock 43X. Hammer fired, fantastic trigger, great craftsmanship. Glock 43X, mass-produced pistol, Glock reliability, polymer with some metal on it. Is it worth 3 times the price to shoot the Staccato C? Will I shoot it 3 times better, 2 times better than the Glock 43X? So what I did is I took it down to the range, shot them side by side targets, and also in a moment of brain fade, I forgot to check the battery level of the camera, so I ran out of battery right at the very end of the film when we were comparing the targets. So you're going to see a bit of an abrupt ending during the range footage, at the end of the range footage, and then I'll come back and give you my final impressions between the Staccato C and the Glock 43X. Let's go to the range. I like this thing, but can you see? Just 8 rounds. Last time it cut me right here. I've been talking about is this edge right here. You shoot it well. I just don't enjoy shooting it. So now I'm going to compare it with a Glock 43X. Is it worth almost $1,000 more to shoot the Staccato C? We'll see. We'll see about the C. Sorry about that.
Amazing how much difference.
Keep riding the slide on that when the slide stopped, but we are clear. Let's turn you around and show you what we did.
Yeah.
So there it is. Glock 43X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Staccato C. And we're back. So what did you think of that range session? Pretty interesting though. The Staccato C is much smoother shooting. The trigger is fantastic. There's no way you can even put the triggers, compare them, put them in the same planet. Having said that, did I shoot the Staccato C $1,000 better than I did the Glock 43X? I know the film ran short because I ran out of battery right after I finished the shooting, but I've got the target right here. So taking a look at it, let's see where it is. Glock 43X and the Staccato C. What do you think? Did I shoot the Staccato C $1,000 better? Let's see where we can see it better. Everything's backwards when you're looking at it. Did I shoot it $1,000 better than the 43X? You tell me. Now, another thing that is going to come up is, well, it's not, you know, they were pretty similar as far as accuracy. So which one felt better? The Glock 43X, of course, is going to be snappy. It was snappy. The Staccato C is a much smoother shooting pistol. The trigger is leagues better than the 43X. But there was that area where I showed you in the video where the safety meets the beaver tail. It's sharp and it actually cut me. The Staccato C, for me, it's not a comfortable pistol to shoot. So once again, here's the question. Do you think the Staccato C, based on, and I'm talking for me, not for you, would you say, based on what you saw, that for me, the Staccato C is $1,000 better pistol to carry, to shoot? I'm not talking about admiring, about the beautiful craftsmanship, materials used. When you pull it out to defend your life, is it $1,000 better than the Glock 43X? For me, the jury's still out. The 43X doesn't hurt my hand when I shoot it like the Staccato C does. But at the end of the day, if I need to be 3 feet away, fire 3 shots within 3 seconds, according to FBI statistics, I'm not sure which side of the fence I'm going to fall at right now. What do you think? Would you keep the Staccato C? Or would you go with the 43X? I look forward to your comments below. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you for visiting my channel one more time. Please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, and there you can see what's coming down the pipeline way before it hits the YouTube channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot more than you think it does. And now more than ever, our country needs your prayer, your courage, and it's time to stand up to make sure we keep the country that we want to pass down to our children. Thank you for watching. God bless.